Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and in today's reading we will see what blessings are coming to you in the next 6 months. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate for all of you, but if you want to consult with a personal advisor which can give you individualized reading, I highly recommend my new discovery, which is also the sponsor of this video, Psychic Source. Psychic Source is the most trusted psychic service in the industry with over 35 years of experience. They provide intuitive guidance that is available and accessible to anyone through their community of professional and gifted advisors. You can connect with them at your most comfortable way, whether it's through a phone call, video chat, or text chat. What I like about them is they are committed to hope, healing, and empowerment. And on top of that, they back their service with a no-risk guarantee and donate 1% of the purchases to charity at no extra cost. I recently had a reading with an advisor from Psychic Source. Her name is Venus, and I asked her a lot of questions about my career, my kids, and even my love life. And I'm so impressed with her accuracy that really helped me with a major decision that I had to make. And I also gained clarity with my future plans. Now here's the good news. I'm excited to share that Psychic Source is giving an extra special discount to new customers from my channel. This is the best and highest value promotion in the industry, and other psychic brands don't even close. Just go to trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen and use my code MrQueen to try up to 40 minutes with an advisor for just $19.80. That is up to $240 value. 40 minutes will allow you to talk to multiple advisors, and you don't have to use all the minutes in one session. This can help you maximize your time and make the best connection. You can also call the number on the screen to get a reading or scan this QR code to easily access the website. Again, that's trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen, or click the link on my description to connect with an advisor anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much, Psychic Source, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Sagittarius, let's see what are the blessings coming in sa inyo in the next 6 months from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na ito. Okay, so let's see, Sag, blessings coming in. You have rainbow. Ang ganda. So, yung iba sa inyo, Sagittarius, you might experience yung mga struggles or challenges. Maari ngayon na napapanood nyo tong reading na to. But in the next 6 months, you will recover. 'Di ba? Yung rainbow is a very beautiful thing to see after the rain. So, di ba pag umulan, nagkakaroon ng rainbow. At yung rainbow na yon, it's a sign for you na tapos na yung problema. Meron ng solusyon. You have overcome the challenges. 'Di ba? Overcome mo na yung mga challenges. So, this is about having a new perspective in life. So, yung iba sa inyo, you have this optimistic energy na very positive yung energy nyo dahil tapos na yung pagsubok. Di ba ang sarap sa pakiramdam ng ganon na nakaraos ka doon sa problema. And dahil doon, you will attract new opportunities, and this will also attract you abundance and blessings. Let's see what else, Sag. You have sea urchin. So some of you, you are protected. Yan yung blessing sa inyo. You are protected by your guides, your ancestors, your angels, whoever you believe na nagbibigay ng protection sa inyo. And this is also a time for you na maging aware sa paligid mo kung sino yung mga taong dapat mong iwasan at mga dapat mong pagkatiwalaan, kasi hindi naman lahat merong magandang intention sa inyo. So this is you dispelling negativity. This is you na nagiging aware ka sa paligid mo, at kung nararamdaman mo na something is off, ikaw na mismo ang iiwas sa sitwasyon na yon, or anything that will harm you or will just bring you negativity. You have the lion. Lion is strength, lakas, 'Di ba? This is also about justice. So, ang isa sa blessing ninyo is may matatanggap kayong justice or katarungan galing sa experience ninyo before. Kung merong mang taong nanakit sa inyo or someone na trinato kayo ng mali, no? So, you will receive that justice. And also, hindi lang naman to sa mga taong gumawa ng mali sa'yo eh. Karma can also mean that whatever good na ginawa mo, yung mga magagandang bagay na ginawa mo in the past, makukuha mo yung rewards noon, no? So that's also justice. Kasi ibig sabihin yan, makukuha mo yung dinedeserve mo for whatever you did in the past, especially the good things that you did in the past. Let's see what else. Sagittarius. Blessings in the next 6 months. Woo, the Lovers. Okay, so for some of you, if you are looking for a relationship, ang blessing sa'yo is you might meet your relationship, your partner, your person, your soulmate. Okay? So, pwedeng kayo ay papasok sa isang union. Pwede rin itong business partnership. This can also mean a commitment na papasukin mo, na kung saan magiging masaya ka doon sa commitment na yun. This can be commitment mo sa trabaho. Ito yung trabaho or break na hinihintay mo. You also have the Hermit, which is about healing. Another blessing for you in the next 6 months is healing from your past. This can be physical healing, mental healing, emotional healing, spiritual healing. You are also doing your inner work. Nagsha-shadow work ka rin. Nare-realize mo rin yung mga bagay na pagkakamali mo, yung mga attitude mo or behavior mo na kailangan mong i-improve para mas maging fulfilling yung buhay mo. You also have the King of Pentacles, visionary, being generous. I think you will be blessed with material things, with stability sa finances mo. And yung mga needs mo, kayang-kaya mong i-provide para sa sarili mo as well as to your family and to your loved ones. Meron ka ring kakayanan na tumulong sa iba. And if you are yung tawag nito breadwinner, kayang-kaya mong makapag-provide. Hindi ka mawawalan ng opportunity. And I also see you na meron kang plans in the next 6 months that will bring good luck, that will bring excitement sa buhay mo. This can be a new business na gusto mong i-pursue. With a Page of Wands, this is about exploration. So, maaring merong opportunities for travel or exploring mga bagong interest mo sa buhay. Universal laws and truths are now being revealed. Use this energy to create your reality. Wow. So, you are creating your reality. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga gagawing manifestation rituals or activities or mga you will go manifestation na mga processes, no? Kung paano mo maisakatuparan yung mga goals mo, yung mga iniisip mo, yung mga dreams mo. Para siyang let's say, magiging aware ka sa law of attraction, law of abundance, law of assumption, or different laws, universal laws na makakatulong para makamit mo yung gusto mo. Maging part siya ng reality mo. Ma-experience mo siya sa reality mo. Your intuition is correct. You follow your inner wisdom without fail. Yes. You will also be blessed with intuition. Itong intuition na to ay tutulong sa'yo sa pag-decide, no? Making decisions na hindi ka mag-fail. Decisions that will bring you to success. O, diba? Tapos biglang, your success is now at hand. Allow the abundance to flow to you effortlessly. See? There is abundance flowing in you. Nasa mga kamay mo na yan. You just have to claim it. You just have to work on it. You just have to explore. Self-worth. Why settle for crumbs when you deserve a whole meal? Yes. Bakit magtsatsaga ka sa tira-tira? Kung ang dinideserve mo naman talaga is yung main course, yung main meal, the whole meal. Okay? So, ang blessing mo in the next 6 months is you know your worth. Alam mo yung dinideserve mo. And you will not settle for anything less. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.